Hi guys, I'm Rachel.
I'm Sydney.
And today we're opening up Face the Sun by 17, Episode 5, Pioneer. So, let's get started. Are you ready, Sydney?
Yes.
Okay. So, of course, we're going to start off with the first thing, as always, the highlighter. So, let's see what color we get this time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, we got a blue. I think we already got this blue. Very nice. It's a nice light blue. So, let's start with the next item.
Next thing we have is the Photobook.
So it says Episode 5, Pioneer. They got motorcycles.
Whoa.
June. Hoshi.
Wait, wasn't that June's outfit in Hot?
Oh, I think it was. Next we have Hoshi.
Dino. D8.
You have Hoshi, D8, Dino, and June. Oh, is it just like a member? Just all 4 of them? Mingyu.
Wanu. S.coups.
Vernon. This photo book is so hard to keep open. Then you have Mingyu, S.coups, Vernon, and Wamu.
Joshua. Johan.
There we go. Woozy. DK. Who could the last person be? Singwon. And then here's all 5 of them.
Woozy, Joshua, Johan, Singwon, and DK.
Very nice. Here they are again. And then I'm guessing all the members. So this is the photo at the very beginning, just bigger, I think. Very cool. Then we have the thanks to again. I gotta flip it back around. There we go. Oh, I think it even tells you on the top what the page numbers they're on. So you can go right to that page number. And then, of course, there's the end. That is the end. There's no next episode. No. Let's bring out the next item.
The lyric book.
As always, yes, it is the same. And in the front, it always has the episodes. Now go on to the track list. All the songs, all the same notes, and of course, the credits. The good credits. Now let's go on to the next item.
Next, we have the CD.
The CD. Okay, let's see what the CD looks like. Whoa! So basically just the front cover of both the album and the photo book. Very nice, very nice. And it says Face the Sun at the top. So let's move on to the next item.
Next, we have the pet card, which says Singwan, Vernon, and Dino. Next, we have the tattoos, which is 17 symbols.
Very cool.
Next is the cards. Johan!
Whoa! Next we have
The 8!
the 8.
Ming Hao.
Very cool. Who's our first photo card?
Woozy!
We got another Woozy.
Wahey.
S.coups.
Just like the gems.
Yeah, the gems. Our third photo card is
Singwan!
And our last photo card is
DK!
DK.
Did we get Joshua?
Last time.
Oh.
I don't even remember. In our last album, we got Joshua. Alright, so these are all of our photo cards. So let's bring everything back out. So this is everything we got in the Face the Sun album by 17. Episode 5, Pioneer. This is sadly the last album, but we got some really good stuff. We have photo cards, tattoos, even highlighters. And from 1 week from today, we're gonna go see 17 in concert.
Baksu!
Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rachel and Sydney's World. Bye.
Love you guys. Peace out. Bye.
Bye.